in today's tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your brightness control is not working or properly loading on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in Device Manager. Best result, you come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. You want to expand the display adapter section here. Right click on whatever display adapter is listed here. It's likely going to be an Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA one. And then select Uninstall Device, select Uninstall. And at this point you want to go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. Windows should automatically install or update your driver at that point, and then hopefully you should be good to go. If you're still having a problem, something else we can try here as well would be to open up the search menu, type in Services. Best result should come back with Services. Go ahead and open that up. You want to locate a service in here with the name of Display Enhancement Service. So just scroll down here and double click on it. If server status is stopped, go ahead and start it and then stop it. And then we're going to start it up one more time here. And then hopefully that should be able to resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.